Have you ever felt it? The suffocating weight of something you can't see, as if this world is closing in on you? Could it be that no one else exists? That all you've ever known is simply you? What if reality itself is nothing more than a fragile dream, where no one and nothing is real but the thoughts in your mind? What if everything you've known is just a creation of your own mind, an illusion to comfort you in your isolation? And once you understand, you realize nothing is real but the thoughts in your mind, and even those are fleeting.